Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along. What do we have today? We have expressing numbers in standard form. A number in standard form is of the form a times 10 to the power of n, where our n or where our a ranges from 1 less than a less than 10. This is our a, and our n is an integer. And n is an integer, either positive or negative integer. So that's the value of it, ranges from 1 but less than 10, between 1 and 10. So let's look at this first questions, or this set of questions. It says express the following in standard form. So the first one, a 5, 6, 7 in standard form. Now what do? We take the decimal point to be between these numbers, so that the decimal point, there will be one digit to the left of the decimal point. So it goes here 1, 2. So this is 5.67 times. Since we move to the left, that will be multiplying by 100. We move 2 times to the left. So this becomes 5.67 times 10 to the power of 2. Since we move 2 times to the left, when we are moving to the left, the power will be positive. But if we are moving to the right, the power will be negative. So the second one, the B part, 97530. Now how many times will we move it? Look at this, is a single digit, so we'll move it in between 9 and 7. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll move it 4 times, so that will be 9.7530 times 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes 9.7530 times 10 to the power of 4. Because we move to the back, our power will be positive, and the number of times we moved, that's what the power we carry. We moved 4 times, so that's 10 to the power of 4. The C part, 0.49. Okay, sorry, 0.049. Now here we are going to move it in between 4 and 9. So we are moving to the right, as opposed to the earlier examples where we move to the left. So when we move to the right, how many times will we move? 1, 2. So that will be 4.9 times 0.01. Now this becomes 4.9 times 10 to the power of, when we are going forward, the power will be negative. And how many times did we go forward? Twice. So that will be 4.9 times 10 to the power of negative 2. And the last but not the least, 0.0078. Now the same way, we move to the right, 1, 2, 3. We are moving 3 times. That's 7.8 times 0, 1, 2, 3, which is equals to 7.8 times 10 to the power of, we move 3 times and we're moving right, so that will be negative 3. Alright, just like in our usual style, before we go, here's some list of take-home fun that you can practice at your leisure time. The first one, 4.35. The second one, 0.788. The third one, 1,903,000. The fourth one, 0.006313. The fifth one, 0.00000405. The sixth, 0.000048. The seventh one, 9. The eighth one, 67. The ninth one, 55,120. Last but not the least, number 10, 350. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We looked at expressing numbers in standard form, and we said that when we are expressing numbers in standard form, it's a number in standard form is written in the form a times 10 to the power of n, where a lies between 1 and 10. And when we are moving to the left, when we have decimals, when we move to the left, we multiply it by the positive power and the number of times we moved. When we are moving to the right, we multiply it by the negative power of the number of times we moved. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel so it's dedicated to demystifying mathematics, make a complex problem look easy. Let me see the answers of those questions in the taken font, and if there's any in the comment section rather, and if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put in the comment section, and I'll be there to attend to it. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. To meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.